Do you want to make the tastiest chicken in the world? And with a recipe that's child's play. We start by preparing a special sauce, or let's say a special story, let me tell you. In a cup, I put 2 teaspoons of meat concentrate and heat it up a bit so it becomes liquid, either in a double boiler or in the microwave. Once you have the 2 teaspoons kind of liquid like that, you add a splash of oil, whichever you prefer or have available. You're also going to add freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. You're going to give it another touch with garlic powder. As much as you like, I'm a big fan, so I add a lot. A little aromatic touch with rosemary, also to your personal taste. And the last thing that gives it magic is paprika. I love it too, so I'm generous with it as well. We just have to mix all of this really well, stirring it around. And now our chicken is ready. Right now I'm going to cook half a chicken, which I've just washed, and I'm going to spread this wonderful mixture on top. Don't worry if the oil and the meat concentrate look kind of sticky. It's fine because once the chicken heats up, it'll start to melt away. Just spread it all over the surface and then finish it off with coarse salt to your personal taste. Once you've done that, you need to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. It's as simple as picking it up, placing it on top, and spreading it with the bottom of a spoon. It works great. If not, you can use a kitchen or pastry brush. Remember to salt this side as well. And with that, into the oven at 180 degrees until it's golden brown. You can easily do it in an air fryer like this one, which is basically just a convection oven. All right, we place it with the ugly side of the chicken facing up for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then you flip it over and repeat the same process on the other side. In total, about 35 or 40 minutes until it looks like this. Don't tell me you don't want to try it. It looks and smells amazing. People won't believe you just made this at home. Look at how amazing this looks. All you need now is a little salad with the chicken and enjoy a perfect meal. Homemade chicken is always delicious, but if you give it the special care we've given it today, you turn it into a true delicacy fit for the gods. Look how easy it is to cut, how easy it is to grab a piece, and wow, time to enjoy. Chicken packed with flavor that melts in your mouth. You can't ask for much more. Go ahead and enjoy it.